What the hell are you doing? Hey, how's it going? Wow. Thunder's rumbling in the distance. And I'm just not gonna get a break. So, I guess I'll maybe try to start this window planters project. It's cold in here. It's like 62 degrees in here. It's like 68 outside. Maybe open some doors, get some fresh air, warm it up in here a little bit. Boy, if it was the middle of July, this would be great. Oh yeah, I would love this. But on the other hand, it's not the middle of July. It's just awfully rainy, like not very conducive to getting anything done outside, which I have a lot to do outside, including mowing the grass. But if it stays wet all the time, I can't mow the grass, can I? All right, well, that's what we're gonna have to do then. We're gonna have to work on this. I'm gonna go get a few things from the house. I'll catch you later. So anywho, these should be the two that I want. These, what I made previously, I forgot. Yeah, that's the problem. Okay, well, at any rate, yes, we are going to have to get the arrows over. We're going to get this furniture dolly sitting upright and out of the way. And that's leaking. And so the compressor is going to go on and off a lot more. Oh boy, if that's not the most annoying thing ever. I really should take some time and replace that. Ooh, that's going to drive me nuts. Yeah. Can you hear that? GoPro, stop recording. I have another outlet over there. And a shorter hose with a better end on it. Well, I don't know if it's better or newer. It's leakless. Leakless. Why would you say leakless? It's leakless. It's less the leak, which means it still leaks, but not as much. It's leak no more. I guess that's a lot more to say. All right, well, at any rate, all I hear is the rain outside. I mean, well, the base. So, the base sits all on the inside. That way we avoid a seam or a seam. You'd think I will cut this to be like this. And well, it sure looks like I did. So whatever I did, I hope I did it a couple more times. Well, because, okay, so there's an edge glue here. I would like it at the bottom all the way around. So if by chance you're noticing a seam, it's consistent all the way around. Everything is very consistent. Okay, so the table's not long enough for me to do the whole thing, but got this strap that I can run around the whole thing and tighten it up, which I think I will do. It doesn't have to be level. I can level it out thereafter. Stop ignoring me. Just talking to the camera. Well, that's a thing. Maybe I should just seam seal it on the inside, huh? Well, I don't really want to do that. Well. So, the best way to go about this. Hey, settle down over there. If you're not going to pay attention, get out. Okay. Oh boy. So I guess I'm just going to put the adhesive on first, put everything up, hope and pray. So all the way around the base and on the sides of those. Oh, right in the shin. Seriously? Wow. Sometimes, I swear.
Little boy sitting at the steering wheel, Daddy's riding shotgun, said, son, how's it feel to be driving just like your old man? Stop for ice cream on a summer's night. I tease my little sister, he'd break up the fight. It's just about anything I'd give to go back one more time. Memories, some vivid, others lost in the haze. But these are how I always remember my father's days. Christmas Eve, Mom and Dad round the tree, passing out gifts to my brothers, sisters, and me. The greatest gifts we received were under that tree. So you shake my hand on my wedding day, I could remember the words he said, but I swear he was more nervous than me. Memories song, baby, others lost in the haze. These are how I always remember my father's day. My father's day. Search for the reasons I just can't find. Words left unsaid, so much wasted time. Just know we miss you and save us a good seat up there. Just know we miss you and save us a good seat up there.
You handle enough screws and screw balls, you learn how to judge them and it and them. Did we get them all? Well, make sure we get them all, okay? Okay, so essentially that's done. It's a 3-footer, another 3-footer. They go side by side. Try to make one 6 foot long. You're gonna have to put something in between there, you know. The brace is, it's easier to ham. Level. You don't have to worry about, it's level. We gotta sand all this. Yeah, we're good. But I do have, and I'm not sure about it. Should all be pretty much cut the length. Well, not really cut the length, cut longer. So I can cut it down to length as I 45 it. But it's gonna fall all over. Help my hand! Get out of my mind and into my car. Yeah. No? Yeah? 45 it. But I want to put a little bit of a kerf in here. Basically, I'm looking for a drip edge. So something to break the water as it goes down, and then it doesn't just go up and get stuck underneath there. It will. Water retention. Water. You know what I'm talking about. It's got a little bit of a lip on this side. I like that. Yeah. It's finger jointed. Finger jointed. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? Finger jointed? Anyway. This is edge glue. This is finger jointed. Actually creates for these pieces are less likely to warp because they're finger jointed. Although over time, you're gonna have to repaint them because they're gonna start seeing finger joints come through. At any rate, little sanding there, a lot of sanding there and there because I put it backwards. Got sand these anyways to make them all flush, smooth. To paint this, I got to do it outside. I got a sprayer type of painter. I haven't used yet, but I know it was good. Bought from somebody and I know the guy real well enough to know that he don't exaggerate things. But I gotta putty the holes first, huh? The pink putty. Get out of here, flag. Oh, you stupid flag. Get out of here. No, go, 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 go. Go, go. Oh, 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 oh. Wow, it worked. It was a big one. It used to be pink, and it would turn white when it's dry. You know how you know it's dry? It's not soft.